Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. Alright, so Gary Neville, welcome as I call it, talk about Arsenal title race. Call it talks now 3 players. Now make sure say Arsenal deal for this title race, so they talk about. So Baba call it talk say Arsenal won't be title contenders without the likes of Saliba, Gabriel Magalhaes, and Declan Rice. Say these 3 people, then they very important for Arsenal first 11 with the way Arsenal they prepare their games, where they play. Say Arsenal don't go away from home, play, and they don't concede one single goal for the league this season. No be saying a fluke. It is a testament of the fact say these players they put in the hard work when it comes to defensive solidity of this Arsenal team. So now these players now they make everything they tick, and it is quite true because you see this Declan Rice, he has brought a lot of stability, protecting the back four he gets for the Arsenal team. And what will come happen when Declan Rice and Thomas Partey will come to play consistently, and I expect this to happen by the time the international break will finish, when players will come back. That's one thing I'm expecting. So I don't know too, but a line of thoughts concerning waiting Gary Neville they talk. Do you subscribe? Like if you don't get Declan Rice, you don't get people like Saliba, Gabriel Magalhaes, do you think so will fit be title contenders? That is why yesterday I mean they compare the type of defenders who they get in the past. All those guys, so Chris Papastopoulos, Mustafi, Pemetasaka, Pablo Mari, all those kind of people in the past, Chambers, them, Njoru, Senderos, get all those kind of players get compared to the likes that we have now. We get the one where we say they aggressive like a bulldog, that is Gabriel Magalhaes. I will get the one where they cool like a cucumber, maybe William Saliba. We can combine their attributes, and at the end of the day, we are going to the promised land. So what do you think? Now away from that, Pep Guardiola also come as I call to talk about this season. So Baba Koleto say sometimes it is actually good to go behind. You get make you want to see people waiting for front, they go come regroup, come see how we go take catch them, because people are saying, hey, this one is Man City don't lose back to back. They did for third now for the table. That's why people like their players they fight, they're not used to losing, all those kinds of. So Baba Koleto say this is not the first time actually we did the day behind. Can't give one kind of slight dig at Arsenal because the last season we were 8 points behind and we ended up winning the league. So we are just 2 points behind now, so it is not really a big deal. So then they try to water down the achievement of Arsenal, where Arsenal stopped them from playing and Arsenal defeated them, but it no go work. We don't beat Una, we say we don't beat Una. So we go watch how the remaining games go. Now they talk say Kevin De Bruyne will still come back. We said Timber will come back now because Kevin De Bruyne and Timber now the same anterior cruciate ligament injury then get. So we're expecting two of them to still come back in 2024. Yeah, so when Timber come back, it's also going to be like a new signing, like a new January signing. So himself will give us different dimension in the way we play to allow some of our players to also rest. And who says we cannot sign new players in January? Imagine an Ivan Toney joining this Arsenal setup. Just imagine January and just go collect Ivan Toney and Pedro Neto or Takefusa Kubo, carry those two, come put them. Every year will scatter. Alright, the England FA don't come outside they confirm say Bukayo Saka no go dey part of the international matches. I think they play match against Australia and one other team say the guy will go back to Arsenal for London Colney, will continue in recovery. Because I talk yesterday say any team make Saka no play for Arsenal, there is no way. Forget say maybe that they add him for the list of invitees. There is no way they go allow him play for the England setup. In fact now, with the power of hindsight, it's gonna be like say Gareth Southgate and Arteta do the plan. Say add the name there, make it confuse everybody, make it be like say it don't dey okay. Because the addition of Bukayo Saka to England list now it makes some of us call it say for Gareth Southgate to call him up, that means in dey fix. And for us to think like that, Pep said will also think like that, so we can further confuse the Man City line. As we say, maybe Pep knows say Saka no dey at all. Maybe the way they prepare for the game if for the difference, but who knows? Alright, no be Saka, even Saliba self, the France FA don't confirm say Saliba will stay back for Arsenal to heal in toe injury. Now we're going to get new information. Say Saliba actually took pain-killing injection for him toe to allow him play against Man City because that toe injury don't disturb him for long. So now we will use this international break to recover and make sure they treat this toe injury so that the team will go once and for all. Remember, say by the time we will come back for this international break, we will be facing a Chelsea. So a resurgent Chelsea side where they get their players back and they don't tick now, they don't win back-to-back games. So that match will be very, very important and it's going to be a derby. Well, we'll just watch. Alright, so Belgium FA also don't come outside, they confirm say Trossard will be out of their international matches. So instead will return back to Arsenal. I don't say Trossard hamstring, Saliba toe injury, Saka hamstring. Who else again? At least these three players will be back for Arsenal with the medical department to make sure they recover on time so that this break, at least Saka and Shiom, Saka will not come back by then. So you go get all this break to rest, stay away from football, recover fully and come back like a beast against Chelsea. So now my prayer be that make everybody just rest. Then other people don't go their country, almost like Havertz, Tomiyasu, everybody don't go their country, gets go enjoy themselves. Well, till we come back, I think that kind 20 something, 21 or 22, well we'll come play their next match, so we can't wait. Alright, Gary Neville come outside and talk say Arsenal and Man City have a midfield presence where they give them the edge over the likes of Liverpool, yes, because Arsenal they defensively sound, yes, both for their defensive midfield and both for their defense. They did very, very good compared to Liverpool. So Liverpool they don't really understand themselves. Now, but it's the reason we make Gary Neville feel say Arsenal and Man City are really the title contenders. Sure, the title day between two of them because they are arguably the best two teams in the league right now based on current form. You get, regardless of whatever Liverpool is doing, regardless of whatever Spurs is doing, now waiting in the sea. And me too, I tend to subscribe to this line of thoughts because when you check the best defenses of the season, Arsenal will be like second or third of this season. Like we don't really they concede goals that much and it did very, very good. That stuff of champions, guess, but see we see the clash between Arsenal and Liverpool. That clash I would like to see how it will turn out to get. But at least we don't play Manchester United, we don't play Man City, we don't play Spurs, we never lose. Get, you don't know what you mean. We don't play these three people, we never lose. Now we won't come play Chelsea, unlike before. Now before I know one of these matches we don't lose them. Get. But it is what it is. It shows we are now a resurgent side. Like we will not be smallie again. Get, we say we don't be part of the big dogs. Alright, so Mark Plattenberg come aside for a column for the Daily Mail. So Baba Kalita says, see, say inside the referee, say you see that Michael Oliver decision when you no give Kovacic yellow card. Say you say not him, that guy supposed to collect red. And say many referees go hold the same view. Say now Michael Oliver just decide say he no one give red card for that match. No be say the thing where Kovacic do know what is second yellow, and that is just the truth. So everybody now don't they talk say what Michael Oliver do he no good. In fact, some people are calling for the PGMOL to come outside and apologize to Arsenal, but we never hear any apology at this point. Well, will they apologize? But we just watch because it is what it is. But thank God say we win. If so we no win, this thing for be a big blunder, and the PGML for the forced to actually come outside and apologize. But because we win, they're going to say there's no point now. I'm not free there. Oh, and you're right, sir. Welcome outside on the praise Kai Havertz for the assist we give for that Man City game. Now, you're right, because they talk say if you watch it, now everybody they talk say make Arteta no day static. Try out Kai Havertz for different positions. Say as them play him for that number 9 role. Say it makes sense. See how Tomiyasu give him that ball. He can't guide the defenders. Do that hold up play where they talk, put his body on the line. Can't give the ball on the platter of gold to Martinelli. They say this is something Nketiah cannot do because he does not have that body, does not have that height. How Nketiah will take guide defenders? I want to do him. Say make Arteta moving forward. They play Kai Havertz ahead of Eddie Nketiah with the number 9. You see this life, man, life no balance. Even at the same Kai Havertz, where a lot of people they criticize. Now you're right, so be legend. They talk say he go better say you play this Kai Havertz ahead of Nketiah because he gives you a different dimension to our attack. It gives you that focal point vibe. You get where we say people from the midfield, Thomas Partey, Declan Rice, whoever can actually launch the ball to him because he's tall and he will guide the ball down, give another person. So now waiting in the sea for that man because Educator was actually missing in the game. You can say if to say Kai Havertz not do that thing when he do, if I not see the goal, because who else go fit guide defender? And if you watch our halftime analysis show, I actually made the point that I tell my panelists, say, do you actually see a situation whereby Arteta will put in Kai Havertz to come give us that focal points vibe, get that target man vibe, making day for the number 9 role he gets. I think it was Samuel went up say yes, instead of call for Kai Havertz to actually play, and at the end of the day, Arteta come play and say listen to us when they talk, come put down, and it worked. Get so this is what it is. We just dey happy. Me, I just like say Kai Havertz, people don't give him a chance, but me I know say he can never be good or be bad forever. Get it will still come good. Get that one at a normal level. Last 2 games, 1 goal, 1 assist. That's what we've been praying for. Alright, so now we're going to hear the thing will really happen between Kai Walker and Nicolas Jova with Erling Haaland. So Talk Sports going to do an expose. So they're going to talk say last season when Man City beat Arsenal, you get say the Man City players wanted to go and shake Nicolas Jova hand. He actually put in 2 hands for him back. He no really shake anybody because he very, very angry. Both games, guys, we will play them when they knock us. He no really shake anybody. And not to say come off from Man City on a bad accord or with enmity or anything. So he come out on a normal level, you get, because he be set piece coach for Man City before Arsenal can go sign him. Carry him come out because he went to make Arteta and be friends. Get now we say Arsenal can beat them. He can come outside the stretch and say he shake them. Now he make Walker para. So you will say last season we beat you now, you no really shake. So because I don't win now, you won't shake me. So now just the two way cause the argument. What a petty reason you get. That what it cause the argument. So me, looking back on power of hindsight, I can actually understand where Kai Walker is coming from. You will be say they try to shake you, you know agree because they lose. Now you can't win, you won't go shake them. Come on, you know make sense now. You're supposed to just do your day because you know say them they will vex. So it is what it is. I'm going to not think if now you be Kai Walker, shake you will shake him. That's the question. Alright, Gary Neville get plenty things to talk about. I don't see the guy don't get podcasts now, so Arsenal don't fool him out. So what can you say? Arteta experimentation era, it is now over. All those era of playing Thomas Partey right back, all those experiments, say it don't pass. Or removing Gabriel Magalhaes and putting him on the bench, all those one it don't pass. Now say now you don't get in team. Probably when you will see all those kind of experiments, now maybe when Zinchenko will get injured to go join the likes of Timber, you get if 2 of them no day, now you're gonna see all those experimentation. But once they are available, there is no need for that. So now so you go to my dear Arsenal lovers. If you don't watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen, you'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal update as they drop all over the world. So signing out, enjoy the rest of your day. Now game out.